Hey guys, it's Carrie Lynn here for SheSave.com. We are back in Las Vegas at another Caesars property. This is the Cromwell. This is kind of a luxury boutique property. Again, it is a Caesars property. We're on the 8th floor, room 836, and I'm going to give you a peek here. This property has such a different feel to it, yet it's right in the middle of all of the action on the Strip. So I want to show you what this looks like. Kind of real fancy rooms. I love the floors in these rooms. Nice hardwood. You have this nice dresser area right here that also serves as a refrigerator serving tray that pulls out here at the top. There's a little catch though with this little dresser area. There is a drawer. The second drawer can be for clothing and whatnot. The bottom drawer is the safe. And then you also have the refrigerator in here, but here's the catch. It comes already stocked with drinks, and you can't put your own drinks in there or there's a charge. So that's a little different. And I actually really love having a refrigerator in the room. So that's a little bit of a bummer. They also have a nice little bar selection of candies and treats up here, but those are spendy. So I highly recommend going down to the gift shop where they have the exact same items for much less. So that's a little different. You can see the decor is really fun though. Nice big television, 2 queen beds. Really love everything in terms of the layout of this room. It just has a really good feel. Seems very clean. Nice big armoire here for hanging clothes and your iron and just all of the regular things that you'll find in a room. But this is kind of a nice little area for storage too. So probably where most of the storage in the room is, which is nice because it gets it out of the way. And again, the layout of this room is nice and long. So it does feel really roomy, kind of more like an apartment. Super cute little sitting area right here. Lighted mirror over here by the window, and I'll show you that in a minute, but we'll take a peek right now at the bathroom, which is fabulous. I love these bathrooms. The lighting is great. The product is great. Again, I felt like these were really clean and just spacious. Really great mirror and sink area with a walk-in shower. The fun wording theme is kind of continued throughout here, as you can see. Just gives it a really neat vibe. The whole hotel is this way though, just kind of really fun and well done. A rain shower with a wand, really cool shower. Just kind of a special vibe. This is different than any properties we've been in on the Strip. Cool sink area again. That is just a tiny window to outside, but right here again you have this big window here, kind of a fake balcony that looks out over the Strip, and I'll give you a peek later in the video of what that looks like at night. But just a really good location too. You can walk to just about anything, and once you're down in the casino, I like how it connects to so many different directions, so it's really easy to get to different places. So again, just kind of a fun vibe here. And I always love trying new properties, especially in Vegas, especially on the Strip, because it gives you a different experience every time. And so this property is definitely a different experience. It has its own unique feel. And as you can see, just even with the decor, these little touches, these little things that make it special, everybody kind of finds their own feel or just hotel properties that feel right to them in Vegas, and this is one that is just so unique. Here's a peek from outside walking back on the Strip to the Cromwell. You can see what that looks like, and then I also want to show you the carpet in the halls. Has this super extensive writing all throughout, so I thought I would show you that. I've had a couple requests from people that wanted to read it. So there you go. It is really kind of cool the way that they do this. There is this kind of theme as soon as you get off the elevators and then through all of the hallways. Just kind of makes it a really fun experience. And again, this is the Cromwell in Las Vegas, and this is Carrie Lynn for SheSave.com.